Hello students, welcome back to Easy Class YouTube channel. Okay, today I am going to teach you the basics concepts of light chapter. Okay, the basic concepts of light chapters are very important for the class 10th students and class 12 students, and also very important for the competitive exams like NEET, JEE, KCET and NDA and then another competitive defense exams like Air Force and the military entrance exams. Means number of entrance exams are ask the basics questions, and basic concepts are very important to know the whole concepts of a light chapter. Okay, now today I will start the basic concepts of light chapter. Okay, so another competitive exams, the first concept, that is reflection, and next refraction. Okay, these are the two important concepts. And next the one more concept is there, that is diffraction of light. Okay, in diffraction of light there is we have to learn that concept in wave optics chapter of a class 12th, because in case of diffraction concept we need to understand and we need to assume that light is behave as a wave property. Okay, due to this reason we are taking that concept in under wave optics. Okay, now in the reflection and refraction, these two comes in ray optics concept. Okay, ray optics chapter, and diffraction will come for wave optics chapter. Okay, these two chapters are in. So what do you mean by reflection? Reflection, it is nothing but bouncing back of a ray of light. Okay, the reflection meaning is bouncing back of ray of light. Means in Kannada there is a concept in pratipalana, ಬೆಳಕಿನ ಪ್ರತಿಫಲನ, ಬೆಳಕಿನ ವಕ್ರೀಭವನ, like that some terms are there. In reflection it is nothing but bouncing back. Means assume this is a mirror. Okay, this is mirror because the one part is a reflecting part. Okay, one part is reflecting part, another part is not a reflecting, means it is a opaque. It is opaque means it is closed at other part. Because of this reason it is mirror. Okay, I am showing you the mirror here. This is the transparent, and this is here you will get the image, but here you will not get image. Means this is closed, but this is the reflecting part. And one more thing I want to clear you that this is lens, means this is transparent in both medium. Okay, this is in transparent in both medium, means this part is a lens and this is a mirror part. Okay, one part is closed. Okay, in reflection it is occurs in mirror only, because reflection has to be takes in the nothing but the bouncing back of a ray of light or incident ray of light. Means one ray of light will ಬಂದಾದ್ರೆ ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Means when our incident ray comes fall on this surface of this mirror, it will get reflect. Means the light is reflecting. Okay, the marker it is act as a ray of light. The ray of light which falls on the surface of the mirror is incident ray. The ray of light which bounce back from the surface of the light, that is reflected ray. Okay, the reflected ray has to be takes place in mirror only because one part is closed. So reflection, to study the concept of reflection we need to go through mirror. Next, in mirror there are three parts. One is plane mirror, next is concave mirror, and the third one is convex mirror. Okay, the first one is plane mirror, second one is concave mirror, third one is convex mirror. Plane mirror, it is nothing but the surface of the mirror is totally plane, means this is the plane mirror. Okay, the surface is completely plane. Because of this reason this is the act as plane mirror. Next is Concave mirror. Concave mirror means the concave and convex mirror are formed by the spherical mirror. Okay, these two are two types of spherical mirror. Means this is, assume that there are one ball here. Okay, this is a spherical mirror, and if I cut this spherical ball, it will becomes two parts. Okay, these two parts, is it the ball, and it will appears like this. Inner side will be hollow. Okay, if the spherical mirror is cut and inner part is reflecting, means inner part of the ray of light will getting reflecting, means this ray is part of the mirror is called concave mirror. Okay, if the cut part of spherical mirror, if the upper or outerward part of the mirror is reflecting, if the outer part of the mirror is reflecting, that type of mirror is convex mirror. See here, this is the plane mirror. So this is the concave mirror and this is convex mirror. If the inward part, this is a cave part, means inward part is reflecting, this is mirror is concave. If outer part of the mirror is reflecting, that is a convex mirror. Okay, now we have the idea of plane mirror, concave mirror and convex mirror. Now I will explain you the basic terms which are using in mirror and in the phenomenon of reflection. Okay, first we will see reflection and next class I will explain about refraction. Okay, don't worry. Okay, first we will see the basic terms of a mirror. Basic terms. Okay, the basic terms that those are nothing but, first one is incident ray. I will explain incident ray and reflected ray and center of curvature, next pole of a mirror, next the concept of principal focus, next radius of curvature, next the focal length, next that is the image, types of image and properties of image. We will see all those concepts in the angle of incident and angle of reflection. The ray which falls on the surface of the mirror is incident ray. Okay, the ray which comes back after falling on the surface of the mirror, is called reflected ray. Okay, if we take this as a concave mirror, this is the incident ray. The ray which falls on the surface of the mirror is incident ray. This is incident ray. The ray which comes back from the surface of the mirror, that type of ray is reflected ray. These are the two types of ray comes in mirror. Okay, these are the two types. Okay, next, this is incident ray and this is reflected ray. So now I will explain you angle of incident and angle of reflection. Now we will see the concept of angle of incident and angle of reflection. So assume this is a plane mirror. Okay, see here. This is the plane mirror. Okay, this is the plane mirror. If it is a reflecting surface and this is incident ray, the ray which falling on the surface of the mirror, this is incident ray. The ray which bouncing back from the surface of the mirror after hitting on the surface. This ray is reflecting ray. Okay, this is incident, this is reflected. Okay, this is incident ray and another one will be the reflected ray. Okay, now I will draw this diagram on the board. See here, this is incident ray and this will get reflected, means this will become reflected ray. Now I will draw a normal to this surface of a mirror. The normal is nothing but that makes an angle with base 90 degree. Okay, that makes an angle 90 degree. This is the angle 90 degree, 90 degree. Then only the line will called normal line, or is in this case this is normal ray. Okay, this is the normal drawn, this is incident ray, and this is reflected ray. Okay, here you are seeing something angle formed between normal and incident ray. The angle is known as angle of incident. The angle between normal drawn and incident ray is called angle of incident. This is the definition for angle of incident. Now, next, this is the normal drawn and this is reflected ray. So, this is the angle form. Okay, this angle is represented as small r. So, this is nothing but angle of reflection. The angle between normal drawn and reflected ray. Here incident ray and here reflected ray. So these are the angle of incident and angle of reflection. Now we have the clarity about I and R. So from now onwards, I means angle of reflection and angle of incident, and R means angle of reflection. Now we will see the center of curvature concept. Okay, the basic terms, very very important. Okay. Center of curvature. So now I will take here a concave mirror. Okay. Initially I told that this is nothing but a part of a spherical mirror. A part of spherical mirror formed by which center is called center of curvature. Assume that here it will form the circle. Okay. If it forming a circle, then it will be the midpoint or a center point for the spherical mirror. This center of a spherical mirror forms a reflected part. That reflected part, it is nothing but a center of curvature. This is center of curvature. Center of curvature, it is outside of a mirror. Okay, it is present in a outside of a mirror. Okay, center of curvature is forms and present in outside of a mirror. Next, in convex mirror and in center of curvature is present in front of the reflecting surface. Same here. Okay, this is the convex mirror and this is the center of curvature. In convex mirror, center of curvature present backside of a backward of a reflecting surface. Okay, here this is the convex, this is concave. In concave it is present in front of a reflecting surface. In convex it is present in a backward of a reflecting surface. This is the nothing but center of curvature. Now I will define pole of a mirror. Next, pole. Pole of mirror, it is nothing but it is the point present on a mirror which divides equally. Okay, this is the mirror. If I make a point here, this point will be the midpoint of a mirror. That midpoint of a mirror is called pole of mirror. This is the midpoint of mirror and this is the pole of mirror of convex mirror. Now Have you guys seeing these 2 points? If I draw a line to join these 2 points, it forms a radius. Initially I told that this is forming a spherical surface. That spherical surface nothing but circle. If we join these 2 points, it will give us a radius of a circle. That circle is that radius is called radius of curvature. This is radius of curvature. That is indicated by R. Okay, now I will define here also the distance between P and C is radius of curvature. Now I will explain the principal focus. To know the concept of principal focus, you have to knowledge of converging and diverging concept. Okay, converging and diverging are nothing but converging means the all reflected rays are meet at a single point. That point is, and that type of rays are called converging rays. After reflection, if the rays will diverge, okay, and they will appears to meet at a single point, that type of rays are called diverged rays. Okay, see here. Okay, for example, I will explain from basic. Okay, this is the plane mirror. If this is the incident ray, this will comes back. This is the incident ray. This will comes back. Both. See here, these rays will not meet at any point. These are just reflecting and going in a opposite direction. Okay, see here, if a ray of light passes on the surface of a concave mirror, after reflection, it will meet at a single point. This is the incident ray, reflection meeting at single point. This is again meeting at single point. So this is again meeting at single point. So this point of meeting in a concave mirror after reflection of all rays, this point is called principal focus. This is called principal focus. The incident ray after reflection, these rays will meet at a single point. That point is called principal focus. These are the directions. This is principal focus. Here also same. Here the incident ray, this is reflection, incident ray, this is reflection, incident ray, this is reflection, incident ray, reflection. So these are the direction, 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 direction. Okay. See here, these rays will not reflecting, these are reflecting outward direction, but these will never intersect with each other. But these lines will appears to be meet at a single point. Okay, these rays will meet at a single point. This point, appeared point, which is formed behind the reflecting surface, that point is a principal focus for convex mirror. See here, these are the diverging. This diverging is forming because of outward part of a convex mirror. Here it is inward part is reflecting. So all rays will meet at a single point. Okay, this is about center of curvature, pole of mirror and radius of curvature, and next the principal focus. Okay, have you seen that center of curvature P, that is meeting point, that is principal focus, is dividing these 2 points CF, PF equally. So this is R, and now this distance P to F is called focal length. This distance P to F is called focal length. This distance is focal length. Understand? This is the distance of focal length. Okay. Here I will write the relation for focal length and radius of curvature. Relation for one mark question. This is one mark question. Relation for F and R. Okay. Here total this is F. This is half F. Means R equal to 2F. May I write R equal to 2F? This is 4, then it is 2. 2 into 2, 4 means R equals to 2F. Next, F equal to R by 2. This is the relation formula for focal length and radius of curvature. I think you are understanding the video, and try to share and subscribe the video, because other students can take the advantage of this and can they also learn these concepts easily. So now, okay, leave it. Now I will explain you the properties of images. Okay, now I will explain properties of images. These are the basic terms used in a mirror concept. Okay, what are the basic terms? Center of curvature, radius of curvature, pole of the mirror, principal focus, next converging concept, diverging concept. These are the angle of incident and angle of reflection. These are nothing but basic terms of the mirror. Okay, until unless if you will not learn and not understand this concept, you will not able to solve a derivation, not able to solve a problems, not able to answer a CBSE question papers questions, like because they are asking in a base of concept oriented only. Okay, so now I will explain you the properties of images. Okay, properties of there are two types of images, virtual image and real image. Okay, so virtual image and real image, these are the very difficult, and most of students are getting confusion to understanding these two types of images means. So I will clearly tell you the virtual image and real image concept. Virtual image, it is nothing but if an image is formed by a diverging of a light. If the image is formed by diverging of a light rays, that is called, that type of image is formed virtual image. Virtual image is formed by diverging of light rays. Next, the real images are formed by converging of light ray. Converging of light ray. These are very important terms. Okay, already you know diverging means from one point these will get reflected, means these will spread out to all direction, but converging means those will meet at a single point. So see here, this is concave mirror, this is the incident ray, after reflection meeting, after reflection meeting, after reflection meeting. So what is this point? Initially previously I told that this point is principal focus. Okay, this is converging. Have you seen that? This is appears to be converging of light rays, means these are meeting at a single point. Okay, see here. If I see from this direction, these rays will meeting at a single point. This is nothing but converging of light. Here the real image is formed. Okay, here real image is formed, but here in convex mirror, this is the incident, diverging, reflection. See. Okay, these are reflect. If I am seeing, these rays will diverging. Okay, these rays will diverging from some point. Okay, from some point these rays will diverging, means that point I will draw here and meet at a point, single point. This point is principal focus. Initially I told that. So this point, by diverging of these rays, we will get a virtual image. By diverging of rays, we get virtual image. So seeing here, you can take your book and draw some reflected rays for a convex mirror, and see from one side you will observe that their rays are getting diverging. Okay, the virtual image formed by diverging rays of light and converging of light, real image will form. Next, one more concept, that is another property, that is the image will be inverted image, inverted image and real image. So to learn inverted and real image, it is nothing, it's simple. Okay, real inverted means the object is in this direction, the image will be in this vertically downward, means this is the inverted image. Okay, this is the object, next image will be in the same vertically orientation. This is real image. See, this is real, This is inverted. Okay, so it is nothing but this is inverted image and this is a real image. Means inverted images are like this and real images are nothing but erect image. These are erect. Erect means vertically straight and inverted means vertically downward. See here. This is a mirror. This is the object. Okay, you are seeing the image is also same direction. Pen cap red. It is also in upward. In top of the marker. It is also in top of. Both will be same, means it is a erect. The image form of plane mirror is erect image. Next, if the image is downward after the forming of a falling on the surface of the mirror, it will downward. That type of image is inverted image. Okay, so what are the important properties of images? Virtual image, real image, inverted image, and erect image. So these are the important terms, because if you learn these terms, you are going to write at the end of the numericals whether the image formed in your numerical it is a real image or a inverted real image or a virtual image, whether it is inverted or erect, whether you have to measure focal length and next radius of curvature. These are helpful for your numericals. Okay, until if you will not understand this concept, you will not able to draw a ray diagram in the mirrors in lines. Next, you will not able to solve a numericals also. Okay, this is about the basic concepts of light. Okay, in this video I have covered the basics concepts. Okay, write the notes and try to recall the concepts. Okay, and next go through your textbook. Okay, I explain bit by bit as per your textbook only, and second PUC students also can watch this video and they also make these points, initial chapter or initial points of your chapter also, these concepts only. Okay, so in next video I will do the image formation by mirrors. Okay, this is about light and basic concepts terms in using in reflection. Okay, try to like, comment and share video. Okay, try to share this video and try to reach all of the students, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, bye students.